In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create AutoLISP code for AutoCAD. This process is surprisingly easy and can save you a lot of time if you're looking to automate tasks within AutoCAD. So, let's dive in and explore how you can accomplish this. First, you'll want to start by accessing ChatGPT. If you're unfamiliar with ChatGPT, it's a powerful AI tool developed by OpenAI that can assist in generating code snippets for various programming tasks. Once you've opened ChatGPT, you can prompt it to write a simple AutoLISP code. In this example, let's ask ChatGPT to create a Lisp code that changes the color of the objects you select to red. This is a commonly sought-after feature for AutoCAD users who wish to quickly modify object properties. Once you've provided this prompt, ChatGPT will generate a script for you. The code produced by ChatGPT will include the basic elements needed to select objects and change their color to red. It's important to review the code for accuracy, especially if you're incorporating it into existing projects, to ensure it aligns with your specific needs. After reviewing the script and ensuring it matches your requirements, the next step is straightforward: copying the generated code. You can do this by highlighting the text within ChatGPT and copying it to your clipboard with a simple command or shortcut, depending on your device. With the code now on your clipboard, open up your text editor of choice. This could be something as simple as Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. Once your text editor is open, paste the copied code into the document. It's a good practice to give this file a quick read-through to ensure there's no formatting issues inadvertently introduced during the copy-paste process. Now, it's time to save your work. Navigate to the Save As option in your text editor's menu. When prompted, name your file whatever you think is best to describe its purpose, such as change to red. Here's the crucial part. Be sure to save the file with an .lsp extension, which stands for LISP. So the full file name would be something like change to red LSP. This file extension will tell AutoCAD that this is a LISP routine that can be loaded and executed. Once saved, you can now take this LSP file and utilize it within AutoCAD. To do this, simply load the LISP file into AutoCAD through the application's interface. After loading, the LISP routine will be available for you to select objects in your drawing and change their color to red effortlessly. And there you have it. You've not only created but also prepared a simple yet effective AutoLISP routine with the help of ChatGPT, greatly streamlining your workflow within AutoCAD. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.